to this world when you know that I will be suffering from one sickness or the other. I just received a doctor report. I don't have only 2 days to live. God, why? What is my offense in this life? What is my offense? What is my offense to disable this sickness? I'm sorry for one sickness to the other. One treatment to the other. God, why? God, why? Why me? Why me? Why? God, why me just to this to live? Why did you create me into this world? Why did you create me to go? I've been in this world and the only one being so bad. What did I do to deserve this? What did I do, God? What did I do? What did I do? What is my offense to be receiving all this suffering? Since my childhood I've been sick. From one treatment to the other, from one sickness to the other. God, why? I'm just having only 2 days now to live. Only 2 days. Why did you create me at first?